If you are hesitating or procrastinating about starting your own online business or creating your own online courses, it does not mean that you're not ready. Quite often I have people come and talk to me and they say, I've got this idea, I really want to create this online course, I want to create this book, I want to create this product and put it out to the world, but I'm just not ready yet. And I ask them, why are you not ready? And there's all these different things that come up, millions of different reasons. And they'll say things like, well, I just don't know where to start. That's okay. That doesn't mean that you're not ready. That just means that you need a strategy and a starting point to get beginning, right? Doesn't mean that you're not ready. Some people say things like, I'm so overwhelmed. That doesn't mean that you're not ready. It just means that you're overwhelmed. You need some guidance. You need some strategy. You need a system to follow. Some of them say, well, I'm terrified of failure. What if I create this course and nobody buys it? That does not mean that you're not ready. It doesn't mean that you're going to fail. It just means that you're afraid of failure. It doesn't mean that you are incapable of actually going out there, creating the product, putting it out to the world and doing your best like the rest of us to continuously market that particular product. And of course, there are systems to follow to make that happen. Some people tell me that they're scared of criticism. They're scared of being trolled, people saying absolutely terrible, horrible things about them. Now, of course, none of that's nice. It still stings me when it happens years down the line. But again, that doesn't mean having that fear doesn't mean you're incapable of doing it. Having a fear doesn't take away your skills and your knowledge and everything that you know how to do. It doesn't take away from you that you can still go ahead and do this stuff despite the fears, despite the negative self-talk, despite the worries of what people might say, despite your fears that it might not sell. All of these things that cause hesitation and cause procrastination often can fall on top of us two at a time, making us think that that therefore means we're incapable of beginning, that we're incapable of succeeding, that we are incapable of even making an attempt to start. We need to just remind ourselves that the situation is never going to be perfect. Our finances may never be perfect for us to start this goal, start this dream, start this endeavor. We are never, ever going to have a situation where we can guarantee that nobody's going to say something mean to us. Those things are just not controllable. They're all completely outside of us. But what we can do is remind ourselves that hesitation, procrastination, fear are not confirmation of any kind of incapability or lack of capacity for us to learn the things we need to learn, follow a process and start. And they certainly are not signs that we will fail, can't do it, and shouldn't try. So wherever you're at in your business, if you're feeling hesitation and procrastination right now, one of the things I'd recommend is getting some help following a system or a process. I have a completely free course creation starter kit if you want to check that out. I also have lots and lots of free training on my YouTube channel. So do go and just type my name into YouTube and you'll find a ton of training videos there. A little bit of strategy, a little bit of community. Come and join my free Facebook group called Entrepreneur to Edupreneur for course creators. That community of people will make you feel like you have others around you on the same journey, and that can be massive for helping you move forward and push through. Break your goal down into small pieces. A lot of people come into this thinking they have to build the empire overnight. They want to start a business, they want to create a course, and they think, right, I have to have this whole Hollywood production done with an amazing website, all of my tech set up, and 5 million followers by Friday. That's just not how the business works. I'm 15 years in, and yes, I have a lot of success, but I'm still growing, still learning, still building every single day. You have to break this down step by step. If you want to create that course, step number 1 is to pick the topic. Once you've done that, who are you going to teach it to? Once you've done that, is there demand for that topic? Once you've done that, film the videos. Once you've done that, pop them up online, right? All these things just take smaller steps, reduces the overwhelm, and will help you get there because you can. You are capable, and your hesitation, your procrastination is absolutely not a sign that you can't do this and that you can't succeed. You can, and if you try, you will.